guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here to give you a walkthrough of one of my newest kits that I am adding to the website. This is going to be a full kit. It's going to be a larger project and I'm just super excited. So for this kit we're using the Voyage collection by Mintai, and I think it's just beautiful to document all of your summer vacations. Now that we're approaching the end of summer, I think it's the perfect time to just print all those pictures and let's put them in a book. I'm definitely going to be using this collection to add all of our recent vacation that we took to Europe for the first time. So I'm super excited. I absolutely love the colors. I love the theme that it has. It's like very vintage, very shabby chic, and I just love it. So let's give it a quick walkthrough, and all of these are going to be listed on the website. So with the purchase of the kit, you have access to the video class as well. And so yeah, so let's take a look. So there's one thing actually that I don't have here, which is a ribbon. So on the kit you're gonna get some seam binder. You're gonna get either pink or white, but also there is this really pretty blue ribbon. So I'll try to put an image if I remember, but you'll be also getting that, and some of these beautiful pink rose flowers. They're just so delicate, so cute. But yeah, so let's take a look at the collection. So you're gonna get this set of stickers, and just look again at the images. So vintage, so pretty. I love the backpack details here. This suitcase, I think it's perfect for any vacation, but especially a summer vacation will be so pretty for these. Also the die cut set. So let me open these up and just give you a quick look of these. So let's take a look here. Let me take this out. I'm getting ready to start playing with this collection right now actually. So I am going to be putting these on my little tray. I just like keeping all of the ephemera in one place so I don't lose it, and also it's a lot easier to put it on this tray and just keep this in and out of your craft space. Look how pretty is this suitcase with the map printed on the suitcase. So vintage. We have some cameras in here, some flowers, and look at these, really pretty. So I wanted to kind of start a voting, and it probably won't be a voting. Just leave me on the comments section what would you like to see with this collection, because I was thinking of making either a camera book. As you know, I have a little mini collection of camera books which I love, or a suitcase book, kind of like my travelers suitcase book that I created some time ago. I know a lot of you guys loved that. You're still interested on the video class. I'm always getting sales for that. So because this collection has some of the suitcase and some of the camera, I don't know which theme to do for the project. So let me know on the comment section here. I'm gonna post this video before I actually start with the project, so I can actually read your comments and see what you guys would like to see. Look at this beautiful, like kind of like a Polaroid, like a vintage Polaroid camera. We have the airplanes, and I love that we have a lot of the like world images for world traveling, since again I'm documenting with this collection my trip overseas, and there's like a passport, and so a lot of little details, especially also if you went on a cruise this summer, there's some cruise elements there. Okay, so you got the stickers, you got the ephemera, and now let's take a look at the paper collection. So you're gonna get the 12 by 12, and on the back cover here we also have some extra ephemera pieces that you can cut apart and use throughout your project as well, or you can fussy cut these, put them in your planner. And okay, now let's take a look at the beautiful collection. Look at this window here, or balcony doors, and then we have the the view of the ocean and the ships, and then you have all of these little elements like kind of like scattered on the room, but it's just so shabby chic looking. On the corner here we have some of this plain, and then on the back is that beautiful map, so you can literally trace here where you went for your vacation, and you know, maybe just use it for different vacations and put some pins on the locations where you went to travel for multiple vacations there as well. So you get 2 of those. Then look at this beautiful street here. This kind of looks like Italy to me. It just looks so pretty, like a beautiful village by the sea. Look at that, and then all the collage, all the different elements, the travel journal, and then this is the back. So we get 2 of those. And then look at this one on the airport. Like, look at that, so pretty. I think I definitely need to make a project that's gonna be big enough to at least not cut this in 2. But yeah, over here we have again a collage of different elements, the airplane, the passports, the vintage car over here, so pretty. And then on the back here we have another map. I want to see if this is kind of like the continuation. And I think it's just, oh yeah, it actually is. We have some areas here that are not fully included on this side, so you can actually have a lot of the entire world map here, and then it goes around again back to South America. Look at that. So you get 2 of those, put those there. Then we have this little collage page with again the suitcase and the camera. They kind of like equally showcase on the collection, so hard to choose one. And then over here we have the beautiful sky. Look at that, so 2 of those. Then we have the map in the background and all of these gorgeous flowers on top. I really like that collage. And then some of these pretty lights here, or bubbles, whichever. And then so those there, 2 of those. And then you have the 4x3 with again a lot of different elements. So here we have a smaller scale version of that airport, the compass, the plane. It's just so beautiful and shabby chic. And then on the back you have some maps, some flowers, and some of the different backgrounds there as well. So that is gonna be the Bon Voyage kit that I'm going to be working on next here. This is going to be listed on the website as a full size kit. And so yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know if you prefer to see a traveler suitcase or a camera book for this collection. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.